Kaya, are you excited?
Yes!
Excited
And my books too to see my classmates.
Yes, orientation pa lang. Bukas pa ang school.
Yes.
Parang excited.
I'm excited!
Bagpi ka lang mo. Ay. First day of school. Let's go. Smile. Driving.
The car. But I think the car is not moving.
Hello? Come on, Bianca.
Oo nga, malamig ka pala, no? Nah.
Walking in my shoes.
Let's go.
Kaya. Opo. Nay.
We had a great day. She did not sleep. She's very talkative and such a great friend. She was sharing, showing her friends how to play. It was really nice. Yeah.
Saan?
Magsuot pa, magsakay na sa car.
Wow.
I was drinking milk.
Ibuhin mo yung
You
tubig
drink
niya?
milk? Did you put new water?
No.
No? Baka naman. Oh, very good.
Drink it.
Oh, drink mo na. Gusto mo yogurt? May yogurt si nanay. Oh, very good, baby. Love, big girl ka na. Tired ka. Tired ka bukas. Bahay ka na lang.
No.
Ah.
I'm gonna stay in this.
Okay.
Ano daw?
15 hours.
15 hours,
Ano
ganyan.
ba?
Siyempre.
Oh, wow naman talaga naman.
Ano ba yan?
Hindi kaya. Interview, how was your first day? Ay, nako. Wait, answer mo na, nanay. How was your first day of school? Ha? Ano ginawa mo sa school? Kaya.
The light is blinking.
Yep. Ano
You
ginawa sa
answer
school?
muna. What did...
You know what, for a minute,
Ano mo nang ginawa niyo sa school?
I played.
You
I
played.
played in the playground and tomorrow. My friend is
Ano mo for lunch?
finished.
Ano kaya mo sa lunch?
No.
I wanna know. Nanay wants to know, please.
I'm also in the organic is food. Yum.
Anong food?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken
Or
nuggets.
Chicken.
And chicken.
Yes.
You ate with your friends?
I shared.
Wow, you shared! Ang sabi ng teacher mo pa lang daw, you're sharing daw, you're very good.
But I am being very good.
Very good ka kasi nagsishare ka daw. You're sharing daw, sabi niya. Excited for tomorrow?
No, I won't have the one that I get.
You're not excited? Eh, dito ka na lang sa bahay with nanay. Stay with nanay na lang.
I'm gonna miss this one.
Okay, say bye! Bye, vlog!
Bye bye.